Shreyas, Shreyas,
Yes, ma'am.
audible properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, did you attempt the questions last day, which was given to you?
No, ma'am.
But I got some of the solutions. What was that?
One minute, ma'am. Ma'am, this solution is of the previous one, ma'am.
Not from the last day.
No,
Okay. Any question from the previous one or more previous ones from the test?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Then I will continue for the topic what I was discussing in quadrilaterals. And
Yes,
at
ma'am.
7:35, some more questions will be started. Okay. Okay. So from 8.1, I was discussing. I think all the questions were done, and you asked me 9 and 10 also. That also was done. Is there any more question from 8.1?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now the next topic is midpoint theorem and intercept theorem. Have you learnt about that?
Midpoint theorem.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the statement of the midpoint theorem?
is like when the line segment which joins the midpoints of the two sides of a triangle.
Okay.
So the line is parallel to the base, so on the base of the triangle. So the
Anything else?
and ma'am, that is half of the third side.
Okay. Actually, sometimes we get in exams to state the theorems also and then to prove. Okay. So you have to mention the statement properly. Actually, it is like the line joining the midpoints of any two sides. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि जो लाइन स्ट्रेट दिख रही है, जो साइड स्ट्रेट दिख रहा है, उसी का लाइन ज्वाइनिंग, ये जरूरी नहीं है ना? Any two sides, the line joining any two sides of a sorry, the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. This is the correct statement. Okay, you should
Yes,
learn
ma'am.
and write like this. So now I will start how to prove it. So what I said, midpoint theorem. Hmm. The line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to equal to half
Mm.
of it. Okay, so this is the statement. The line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. Okay, now how to prove it? So first of all, we will draw a triangle, that is what? ABC. A, B, C. And these are the two midpoints of AB and AC, that is D and E. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
we have to prove that DE is parallel to BC and DE is half of BC. So how we will do? We will do some construction. What construction we will do? We will construct a line parallel to AB and this one will be extended. This one will meet at F. This line joining will be like F. Okay. Now this line AB and CF both are parallel. Okay, both are parallel. And first we have to prove this, that these two are congruent. Okay, these two are congruent. So how we will do? First of all, this angle is equal to this angle, isn't it? This angle and
Yes,
this angle both are equal, and this side is equal to this side. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
and since these two AB and CA both are parallel, so this angle and this angle will be equal, alternate interior angles. Okay, because DF will be transversal, considered as transversal. So by AAS, by AAS, by AAS, triangle AED is congruent with triangle CEF. CEF. Okay. So since these both are congruent, so by CPCT, AD will be equal to CF. AD will be equal to CF. Now see, this part is equal to this part already given, and now we have proved that this is equal to this one also. So AD was equal to BD. Now what we have got? CF is equal to BD and CF is parallel to BD. It means what? It means BCFD. BCFD became a parallelogram. BCFD is a parallelogram. Since they are parallelogram, हमें क्या करना है? Okay, since they are parallelogram, it means DF will be parallel to BC. DF will be parallel to BC. Okay, and DF is what? DE is a part of DF. That's why DE will be parallel to BC. First part is proved. Second part, we have to prove that, sorry, that DE is half of BC. Don't mute your call. Since BCFD is a parallelogram. Shreyas, don't mute the call. BCFD. So DF is equal to BC. DF should be equal to BC. These both are what? Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Now, one more thing was there that I have left here to write down. These two triangles are congruent. One more thing will be equal. DE should be equal to EF. DE should be equal to EF. It means DE double of DE. DF is what? Double of DE is what? BC. That's why DE is BC divided by 2. Now second part also is proved. Okay. Parallel to BC, half of BC. Okay. Any problem
No, ma'am.
till here? Got it properly?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a very important theorem and it is asked in exams also to state and prove midpoint theorem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is intercept theorem. Can you state that?
Ma'am, the converse.
Uh,
Ma'am, the converse of midpoint theorem.
no. अच्छा इसके बाद इसका कन्वर्स है ना?
हाँ
What
मैम.
is the converse?
मैम,
है बताइए क्या है?
the line drawn through the midpoint one side of a triangle parallel to
And
the
going parallel
and
to the.
bisects the third side.
Okay. Yes. ये है converse. This is the midpoint of AB and a line is going parallel to the third side. Okay, suppose this is D and it is E, crossing at E. Then we have to prove that DE is, sorry, E is the midpoint of AC. No. Same construction will be done here. This one will be going parallel and it will be joining at F. So since this one and this one both angles are equal, these are what? Vertically opposite angles. Okay, this is This is equal to this one. First of all, since this is going parallel to this one, तो क्या क्या angles equal होंगे? ये angle और ये angle equal. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else here? AE should be equal. ये तो हमें prove ही करना है.
Yes, ma'am.
ये दोनों congruent हो गया. यहाँ पे और क्या बचा? BCFD will be a parallelogram. ये तो सही है. Do you remember anything here?
Mm,
BCFD will be a parallelogram because this is going parallel to this one.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. BCFD will be a parallelogram because from both the sides this is going parallel. This side also is parallel. This side also is parallel. So BCFD parallelogram. It means BD should be equal to CF. BD should be equal to CF and BD is equal to what? AD. Okay, AD. It means these two sides are equal. So by AAS, these two triangles are congruent. Okay, same thing here. AED is congruent with CEF. And since these both are congruent, it means this should be equal to this one. Okay, it means is the midpoint of AC. Okay, simple thing is there.
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it? These were the converse of midpoint theorem. Okay. Next thing is intercept theorem. I was asking for intercept theorem. Intercept theorem. Tell me about this. Shreyas,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the statement of intercept theorem.
Ma'am, which theorem?
Intercept. Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am. I can see the whiteboard.
Okay. So there I have mentioned no intercept.
Ma'am, that was the last theorem.
No. Intercept theorem is different. No idea.
I mean, the
No
midpoint theorem,
idea.
there are theorem given.
No. Midpoint theorem, the first one that I explained, this was the midpoint theorem, no? And the second one that I have proved, this one is converse of midpoint theorem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is
Okay, ma'am.
intercept theorem. Actually, why are you not getting this? Because the book what you are learning from there, it is not mentioned like intercept theorem, but the question it is given in the form of question. ओके, ये अपने आप में एक थ्योरम है जहाँ पे हम लोग मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम का यूज करके इसे सॉल्व करते हैं. एक्चुअली आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द इंटरसेप्ट थ्योरम. सी, actually what does it say? It is saying if three lines are going parallel, understand this, if three lines are going parallel, okay, and two transversals are there, 1, 2. Okay, two transversals are there. Suppose this is L, M, N, and this is P and Q. Then they will make equal intercepts. Intercept means what? These are the intercepts. These are the intercepts. Got it? जो
Yes, ma'am.
कटने जो क्रॉस करने के बाद जो पोर्शन बचा है that is called the intercepts. So I put the name that is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. What do we have to prove? AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC and DE is equal to EF. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the construction we will do, we will join this one. Okay. Um, AB should be equal to AB is equal to BC. Okay. AB is equal to BC, then DE is equal to EF. Okay. These two are equal. It is already given. If one of the transversal is making equal intercept, AB is equal to BC. It means what? I have joined AF. I have joined AF. AF join करने के बाद there is a triangle formed. Which triangle? ACF. Okay, ACF. In triangle ACF, B is the midpoint of AC and it is going parallel to the third side. Okay, it is going parallel to the third side. It means what? By the converse of midpoint theorem, by the converse of midpoint theorem, this should be the midpoint of AF. अब मैं इसका कुछ और नाम दे देती हूँ. Suppose this is G. Okay, it means G is the midpoint of AF. Okay, it means what? This one, all are equal. Now, this part will be eliminated and we will talk about ADF, the triangle ADF. Again, what we are observing? G is the midpoint of AF and GE is going parallel to AD because this is already given. GE is going GE is going parallel to AD. It means what? By the converse of midpoint theorem, this side is equal to this side. Got it? And the same thing we had to prove that D is equal to EDF, EF. Okay. Have you got it or should I repeat? Shreyas,
Yes, ma'am.
have you got it properly or should I repeat?
Ma'am, can you repeat like after the construction part?
Okay. First of all, understand the statement, isn't it? If three parallel lines are there, LMN, and P and Q are the transversals. Okay. If any of the transversals, suppose P is making equal intercepts, means AB जो transversal जो intercept बना रहा है AB and BC, these are equal. Then the other transversal also will make equal intervals, equal intercepts. It means Q is making DE and EF and it should be equal. ये हमें prove करना है. To prove this, one construction is done. AF is joined. AF is joined. Okay, figure साफ साफ ही है. I don't need to draw it again. So now two triangles are formed. First, we will talk about ACF. In triangle ACF, what are we observing? That B is the midpoint of AC and BG is going parallel to CF. Okay, BG is going parallel to CF. Means what? This is following converse of midpoint theorem. Passing through the midpoint and going parallel to the third side will pass through the midpoint of the other side. It means AG is equal to GF. Okay, AG is equal to GF. This part is equal now, and again we have to look at AFD. We have to look at the triangle AFD. We will move the figure. In triangle AFD, what are we observing? That G is the midpoint of AF that we have proved right now. G is the midpoint of AF and GE is going parallel to AD. GE is going parallel to AD. It means what? By the converse of midpoint theorem. Again, by the converse of midpoint theorem, it should be passing through the midpoint of the other side. So which is the other side? DF. It means what? DE is equal to EF. Okay. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at the exercise. If there is any question, then ask it.
No, ma'am.
8.2 is done completely.
I mean 8.2.
Yes.
I mean
8.2
8
I am
point.
discussing now.
Ma'am, I have.
Tell me.
One minute, ma'am. And can you explain question 7?
ABC triangle right angle turn से hypotenuse से भी ये तो midpoint theorem ही है ना
Yes, ma'am.
converse है this is the converse of midpoint theorem ABCG है triangle right angled at C parallel to BC intersects AC and D. Wait a minute.
No, ma'am. I think I know this one.
Any other question? Question number 4 is based on intercept theorem. इसमें important है आपका question number 2 and 3. 2 and 3 both are important questions.
ABCD is a PQR is a
2,
midpoint.
3 and 6. 2, 3 and 6. Mention these questions. You will do it later. Not now, but later you will do. For the as a homework you will do 2, 3 and 6.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Rest questions are not so important, but 2, 3, 6 are important. Okay. Look at the other questions. ये end हो गया क्या? Chapter end.
Yes, ma'am. This last exercise.
Oh, okay. Can you do question number 7 you were asking right now?
No, ma'am. 7 I know how to do.
Then look at 236. If there is any hint and other thing, then I will give you.
Okay.
236, because these things will be given as homework.
I'll tell question 6.
So that line segment joining the midpoint of all quadrilateral bisect each other. Line joining the midpoint of opposite sides of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Okay. Listen. Yeah, I said that this is a very important question. It is saying a quadrilateral, simply a quadrilateral. Suppose I form a quadrilateral like this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Line joining the midpoints of opposite sides. Suppose these are the midpoints of opposite sides. These are the midpoints of opposite sides. Then we have to prove that these are bisected. है ना? These are bisected. So what we have to do and how we will do? हमें कंस्ट्रक्शन करना होगा. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. Okay. What construction we will do? We have to join these points. We have to join these points. And suppose these are the names P, Q, R, S. These are what? P, Q, R, S. Okay. First we will prove what we will prove. P, Q, R, S is a parallelogram. P, Q, R, S a parallelogram. अगर P, Q, R, S parallelogram prove कर दिया हमने, it means P, R and Q, S are their diagonals. Okay, and parallelogram के diagonals bisect होते हैं, bisect करते हैं एक दूसरे को, है ना? So first we have to prove that PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
first you try, after that I will discuss. And I think now the questions are started. Check it there and start it. आप इसे कर लोगे या फिर मैं बता ही दूं?
No, ma'am, I think I will be able to do it.
Okay, then are
Can
you
I see
doing
the
the questions?
ma'am, which question?
I told na it will be started at 7:35. Some more questions are given.
Yes, ma'am, that one I have started on.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the question 2 is
Hmm.
if a plus 1 by a is equal to m and a is equal to 0, ma'am, is it equal or not equal?
I can't see the questions. Please repeat.
Ma'am, in the question number 2 it is if a plus 1 by a is equal to m and a is
Okay. Wait. I got it. A plus 1 by A is equal to M. Then you have to find the value of A minus 1 by A, like this, isn't it?
yes ma'am, it is written a is equal to 0 or a is not equal to 0.
I think not equal to 0.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Obviously
ma'am.
not equal to 0 only.
Yes, ma'am.
How? Oh. नहीं किया लो. घर का सीन का सब्जी और तुम्हारा भी क्लास खत्म नहीं हुआ? अच्छा इसका सब्जी ओ अच्छा अच्छा
Submitted.
okay uh, how many are correct
Ma'am, 5.
which one you did wrong
Ma'am, the second one.
that same
Yes,
you were
ma'am, which I
asking
asked. Yes, ma'am.
okay and rest all are correct no
Yes, ma'am.
okay then I explain actually that question I gave you because that type of question I had told you already. That's why I selected that question. Okay, but
No, ma'am.
again you could not do. Huh?
No, I know how to do, but I think I did some calculation error.
Okay, whatever. But let me explain. What the question is, a plus 1 by a is equal to m. Okay, then
Yes, ma'am.
we have to find a minus 1 by a. Okay, so हम लोग इसको कंसिडर करते हैं सपोज इट इज लाइक a plus b and then this one will be like a minus b so b is equal to what 1 by a okay This is our consideration, supposition. Okay. After that, we have to use this formula. Suppose first we have to think how the formula is derived. We have to find a minus b, right? So this is equal to a minus b whole square. It equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So what can we write? A square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4ab. Okay. When we take this part, this is equal to a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square minus 4ab. Okay. And since we have to find out a minus b, so I will remove this. I will remove this 2 and this one will be converted as square root. Got it? Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what formula we have got? Sorry. A minus b is equal to under root a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Got it? A plus b is equal to what? M. What beta? M square minus what was the 4ab. Wait a minute. M square minus 4ab. Okay. One more thing is there. We need to find here. We have to find the value of. Okay. Actually, b is not b here. B is what? 4a 1 by a. Isn't it? These both are
Yes,
deducted. So this is what? A square minus 4. Okay. It means a minus 1 by a is equal to a square minus 4. Got it?
yes, ma'am.
Was it in the options? M square minus 4 under root m square minus 4.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके सो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा देख लीजिए अगर प्रॉब्लम हो रही हो तो if we don't remember the formula then we have to derive the formula. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And simply a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, that is the basic formula, I think. After that all the formulas can be derived. Any more question? तुम socks पहनो. Any more questions, Shreyas? Shreyas,
Yes, ma'am.
any more question?
No, ma'am. Only this question was wrong.
Okay, and actually, chapter 2, 8, chapter 2, 6, 7, 8, 13, 14, these are the chapters that are, those are given to me to give the questions. I'm already giving. But what about this chapter 8? That is already completed. So you will ask your father and you will tell me. Okay. And the questions that I have given 236 no from 8.2, this one will be as homework. If any problem will be there then I will discuss in the next class, but after that we have to proceed for another one. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, can I exit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye then. Shreyas,
Yes, ma'am.
bye.
Yes, ma'am. Bye.